Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to clean a Ford Bronco, easy method. Start by removing loose items, vacuuming carpets and seats, and taking out floor mats for separate cleaning. Inspect interior surfaces for stains and pet hair, then dust vents and wipe hard surfaces with a gentle cleaner. Clean cup holders and door pockets thoroughly. Finish by reinstalling dry mats, conditioning leather if present, and airing the vehicle to remove any lingering odors. Begin exterior work by rinsing the Bronco to remove loose dirt, followed by 2-bucket washing with a mild car, shampoo, and soft wash mitt. Focus on one panel at a time, rinsing the mitt often to prevent swirl marks. Use a separate brush and cleaner for wheels and tires to dissolve brake dust, then rinse the whole vehicle and dry with microfiber towels to prevent water spots and streaks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I spotted a book that can truly change how you think about money, titled The Simple Path to Wealth, and it seemed worth sharing while you let cleaners dwell. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing it if you like reading. Thanks for helping the channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. For deeper results, clay bar the paint to lift embedded particles that washing missed, then follow with a gentle polish to refine the finish if needed. Work in shade and use slow, overlapping passes for even coverage. Seal the paint with a quality wax or synthetic sealant to protect the surface and make future washes simpler. Finally, clean and treat trim, glass, and rubber to complete a thorough, showroom-ready look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.